Hey, Lucas, we got another phone case from Supcase. Where'd we get?
A Unicorn Beetle Edge case.
We got a Unicorn Beetle Pro, and it has an Edge case. It's for your iPhone 2020 6.1, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today on the show, we got a new phone case from Supcase. It is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and it is the Edge. It's just new. It's for the iPhone 2020 6.1, and let's take a look at it right now. All right, let's do a little unboxing. Look at this, Lucas. I love that metallic red that goes around it. And take a look at this. This is something new from Supcase. Now, when you get this clear case, you're gonna try to figure out how to get that film off of there. And you kind of have to get your fingernail right here and start peeling away the part here, and then it'll come up. So it's kind of a tough find, but once you do it, you get that part off, and then let's get this side here. All right, this is something new from Supcase. It has a pretty thick piece of plastic right here. And what you do right here is you'll put it right on top of your phone, right over your camera. And like I said, this is pretty tough. And then you go ahead and put that in your phone case like this. And you'll see that this part has a bevel right here. And we'll go ahead and put that in. Take a look at this. Yeah, this is a see-through part right here. This is that really thick plastic that I showed you that we took off the plastic wrap. It fits around your camera really nice. It has a beveled edge right here. Also on this case, you'll see that it has some beveled edges here so that when you put this on the counter, it's not going to scratch your phone. So it kind of raises it up a little bit. On this side right here, you'll see that it has like a little bit of a rubber all around it and this cool red metallic color case part here. And the buttons are very easy to push. Yeah, easy to push. Hey, Lucas, what'd you think about this new Unicorn Beetle Pro for your iPhone 2020?
Good.
Yeah? How many thumbs up did you give it?
4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up. Can you believe that? 4 thumbs up on this new Unicorn Beetle Pro.
I use my toes.
He's using his toes. Hey, you got to check this out. This is really neat. It's new, something from Supcase. I really like the style of it. When you put this in your hand, it feels really good, nice and firm. I like the raised bevel right here. I like the part that you can actually see the Apple symbol on the back of the phone. You got to check this out. I have a link down below on Amazon. Get it, yes.
Yeah, get it. It's the toughest phone case they ever made.
He's the pro. He knows all about it. Hey, please like and subscribe to our videos. Feel free to comment, send us candy, and make sure you have a fun day out there. All right, adios, ciao, bye-bye.
Bye.